We came in kind of as a liaison from the community as an industry that is a little untapped and unheard of. We are a tiny little manufacturing facility that does a whole lot of stuff, and we're kind of the only manufacturing facility in the state that does cosmetics or drugs. We are local, and so the schools wanted us to come in to just give some exposure as to what other sort of STEM options are available to kids who might have an interest.
We selected students out of our chemistry labs and chemistry department to come in and see this experience and actually do a little bit of chemistry. And they talked to them about the vocation and how research and design is done, quality control, the different jobs that are tied to chemistry.
I learned how to make hand sanitizer. I've never done it before, and I learned like how to mix things differently, like paces, speeds, when to make sure that things are done and not to mix it too early or else it turns out liquidy like our hand sanitizer.
This is the first chance that we've actually gotten to kind of roll it back a little bit and let them actually have hands-on activities in the lab. A lot of our activities have been kind of limited. CSL was very generous and brought in all the supplies that we would need for this project. We just had to supply hardware, and so we've been working on making sure the hardware was ready for the past few days.
In the beginning, obviously, I think they were a little intimidated. They didn't quite know what to expect. They did warm up, and I feel like if they didn't want to express an interest in the beginning, they definitely did so by the end. So I definitely kind of saw a couple of light bulbs. I feel like they really started to put the pieces together.
I think it's pretty cool because I've never heard of their occupation before, and as I want to go into the medical field or the sciences, so I thought it was really cool to see like an actual job out of it. That wasn't just surgeons or pharmacists.
I went to school here. I was in this lab, this exact lab, when I was in this exact grade, and my chem teacher did that for me. So it really does mean a lot to come back to Eisenhower to try and maybe hopefully do that for somebody else.